Mom, where are you going?
I am going to the supermarket, Lina.
Can I come with you?
No, dear, you should stay home.
Why, Mom? I want to help.
I have to buy many heavy items.
I am strong. I can carry them.
You will get tired. It is a long walk.
Please, Mom, I want to see the store.
No, stay here with Dad. Oh, Lina, do not be sad.
Can I go now?
Yes, you can come with me.
Yay! Thank you, Mom! The sun is very bright today.
Yes, it is a beautiful day for a walk.
Mom, what is on your list?
First, we need a big bag of rice.
I love eating rice for lunch.
We also need a bottle of cooking oil.
Is that for frying the chicken?
Yes, it is. We also need flour and sugar.
Are those for making cake?
Yes, you have a good memory.
Do we need any cleaning items?
Yes, we need dish soap and laundry detergent.
Wow, that is a very long list. Don't worry, Mom. I am your helper.
Thank you, Lina. Look, the store is there.
Let's go inside. I want to push the trolley.
Okay, let's go. Here we are, Lina. This is the grains and dry goods aisle.
Wow, these bags are huge. What is the first thing on the list?
We need a 10 kg bag of white rice. It is our staple food.
There is basmati rice, brown rice, and jasmine rice. Which one?
Get the basmati rice. It has a very nice smell.
Ugh, it is very bulky. Mom, help me.
1, 2, 3. Into the trolley.
We did it! What are these small seeds in the plastic bags?
Those are pulses. We need red lentils and yellow split peas.
Red lentils, yellow split peas, and chickpeas.
Yes. Put 2 bags of each into the cart. They are full of protein.
Here is the flour. There are 2 types.
We need all-purpose flour for our bread. Grab the 2K paper bag.
Okay, Mom. This one?
Yes, that's perfect. Now, we need granulated sugar.
Is that for your coffee, Mom?
Yes, and for baking. Look for the blue bag that says white sugar.
I found it! I will also get a small bag of brown sugar.
Put them in the corner of the trolley. We are finished with section. Look at the floor, Lina. It might be slippery here.
Why, Mom?
Because this is the cooking oil aisle. Sometimes bottles leak.
I see a huge yellow bottle. Is that what we need?
Yes, that is a 5-liter jug of sunflower oil.
I see a huge yellow bottle. Is that what we need?
Yes, that is a 5-liter jug of sunflower oil. This one is good for frying and cooking.
Okay, Mom. It is very heavy. My hands are sliding.
Hold it with both hands. Okay,
What is in these green glass bottles?
that is extra virgin olive oil. It is good for salads.
Should I get a small bottle?
Yes, please. And look for the vinegar. It is usually in a clear bottle.
I found white vinegar and apple cider vinegar.
We need the white vinegar for cleaning and cooking.
Look, Mom, a golden jar. Is this honey?
No, look at the label. That is pure ghee. Good girl. The trolley is getting very heavy now.
My muscles are working hard today, Mom.
Welcome to the spice aisle, Lina. This is where the flavor lives.
Wow, it smells so strong here. What is a spice, Mom?
Spices are dried plants. We use them to make food taste delicious.
I found the table salt. We need this, right?
Yes, we cannot cook without salt. It is a basic ingredient.
Look at this bright yellow powder. It looks like paint.
That is turmeric powder. It is very healthy and gives food a beautiful color.
Chili powder. Mom, is this very spicy?
Yes, be careful. Don't touch your eyes after touching the packet.
I see small brown seeds. Are these cumin seeds?
Good job. Yes, they are. Grab a small bag of cumin and some coriander powder.
This one is black and round. whole black pepper.
We need that for the pepper grinder.
Achoo! The pepper is very pungent.
Bless you. One last thing, find the cinnamon sticks. They look like wood.
I found them. They smell like dessert.
Perfect. Our spice box will be full now.
The trolley is heavy, but it smells wonderful.
You're doing great, sweetie. Keep going.
I will. It smells so good.
It is getting chilly. We are in the dairy section.
Brrr. It feels like a giant freezer in here.
That is because these items are perishable. They must stay cold to stay fresh.
I see the milk. There are so many colors on the bottles.
We need 2 cartons of full cream milk. Look for the blue cap.
These are cold and heavy. 1, 2, in the cart.
That's it. Good job.
Yay!
Now we need butter. Do we want salted or unsalted?
Let's get the salted butter. It tastes better on toast.
Good choice. Grab a 500-gram block.
Here is the butter. And look, there is a huge wall of cheese.
We need a pack of cheddar cheese slices for your sandwiches.
Can we get some yogurt too, Mom?
Yes. Pick a large tub of plain yogurt. It is good for our digestion.
I found it. It says probiotic on the label.
Perfect. We also need fresh cream for the dessert tonight.
I have the cream. My hands are freezing.
Quick! Let's move to the next aisle before you turn into an ice cube.
My legs are tired, but the cold air gave me more energy.
Almost finished, Lina. This is the household items aisle.
It smells very fresh here, like lemons.
That is the dish soap. We need a large bottle to wash the plates.
I see a green bottle and a lemon yellow bottle.
Get the lemon one. It is liquid dish soap.
Should I get some sponges too? Our old one is very dirty.
Yes, good thinking. Grab a multi-pack of colorful sponges.
Okay, now what about the clothes?
We need laundry detergent. Do we have washing powder or liquid detergent on the list?
The list says washing powder for the washing machine.
Okay, look for the big box on the bottom shelf.
Wow, this is the heaviest thing in the trolley.
It is a 4 kg box. Put it in the center so the trolley stays balanced.
Mom, is that everything?
Just 2 more things. We need toilet paper and a pack of paper towels for the kitchen. You did it, Lina. You helped me find everything on the list.
My arms are tired. My legs are tired. Shopping is a big chore, Mom.
I know, sweetie. We are finished with the shopping, Lina.
Finally! My legs feel like jelly, Mom.
You worked very hard today. You helped me find everything.
My arms are heavy from the rice and the oil. I am very, very tired.
I am so proud of you. You are a wonderful assistant.
I think I need to sleep for a long time, Mom.
I have a better idea. Look over there, near the door. Look, Lina, the ice cream.
The ice cream! Is that for me?
Yes. You earned a special treat for helping me with the house groceries.
Can I have the chocolate cone? The one with the sprinkles?
Of course. You worked like a big girl today. Here you go, Lina.
It is so cold and sweet.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, my energy is coming back. I am not tired anymore.
That is the power of chocolate.